Hey there, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can activate your debit card from Halifax through your web browser. So first, you're going to open your preferred web browser, and then on the address bar or the search bar, you're going to type in Halifax. Click on the first link that you see from Halifax, or the second sublink where it says sign into online banking. You're going to click on sign into online banking. Let the page load, and you're going to click on sign in now. So once the page loads, it asks for a username and a password. You're going to enter your username and your password for your online banking. Then you're going to click on continue. So once that happens, it'll take you to a new page that is your main page for your online banking. So there you'll find a section named debit card. You're going to open the section and click on activate your debit card. So once you click on that, a series of instructions or steps will be given or presented to you. Just need to complete the steps. Make sure you give the right information about your credit card or your debit card, like your debit card number or other stuff. Once you complete all the steps and follow all the instructions, you have successfully activated your debit card from Halifax. If this content helped you, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.